How to sign in to Grammarly account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and search for Grammarly application. Make sure that you have updated and you have installed the latest version of the application. And as you can see on the screen, I've already installed the application. So you can simply tap on open and simply land on the main page of Grammarly application on your device. As you do that, you get to launch on the main page. So what you simply need to do is tap on the sign in or sign up option over here and simply tap on any options. Now it will take you to the browser. So let's wait until it launches the main page. Here you can simply sign in with your email, your Google, Facebook, or with the Apple ID. So you can simply use whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to simply tap on the email option and simply mention my email ID and then tap on continue. Now here you can simply continue with Google as well if that's more easier. So you can simply tap on continue with Google as well and simply log in with your Gmail application or your Gmail account. Now I'm going to tap on my preferred Gmail account over here, and as you do that you can simply tap on continue option over here, and after that it will land us to a new page where you can simply see the different options of sign in. So we just have to wait until it loads us to the next page where you can simply sign in with your Google account. Now you can simply tap on open Grammarly and you'll be able to sign into Grammarly account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.